Today is a boring day. Yesterday was more exciting than today. Kevin is not very happy. Look, Kevin, a yellow ball. Kevin is happier now. Nice ball, Kevin. It's not very big. That was a red ball. The red ball is bigger than the yellow ball. Kevin is happier with the red ball. The bigger ball is better. Kevin, that blue ball is very big. The blue ball is the biggest of all. This is the most exciting day ever. Kevin is the happiest with the biggest ball. It is also the most comfortable ball. Throw the ball up in the sky, Kevin. Higher! Higher! Wow, it's going really high. This is more exciting than eating ice cream. Uh-oh, it's coming down really fast. It is the fastest ball ever. Be careful, Kevin! Wow, you are the bravest person I know. Look, a beautiful butterfly. It's more beautiful than the blue ball. It is the most beautiful butterfly in the world.